Welcome to our channel. While Fire TV doesn't have Touch ID like Apple devices, you can set up various authentication and parental control features. Follow these steps to enhance security on your Fire TV. Step 1. Turn on your Fire TV device and navigate to the home screen using your remote control. Step 2. Scroll to the top menu and select Settings represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Navigate to Preferences in the Settings menu. Step 4. Select Parental Controls to set up PIN protection for purchases and restricted content. Step 5. Enable parental controls and create a secure 5-digit PIN that will be required for purchases and age-restricted content. Step 6. Customize restrictions by selecting content ratings and app access levels appropriate for your household. Step 7. Enable Purchase PIN to require authentication before completing any purchases through Amazon. Step 8. Test your PIN by attempting to access restricted content or make a purchase to ensure the protection is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.